Let me take you back to approximately 12 years ago, to the release of a free-to-play Flash game called QWOP, or QWOP. The game was the first of its kind, a walking simulator, and a deceptively difficult one at that. After receiving some buzz within smaller corners of the internet, it eventually exploded onto the mainstream thanks to garnering the attention of a few YouTubers. While the idea of a walking simulator may not immediately draw an audience in, watching a favorite YouTuber be so unbelievably bad at the game while still having fun. The first thing everyone thought after watching those videos was, we can do way better than PewDiePie at this game. Yet, after trying it out themselves, the realization hit that the game was just really hard. This kind of design philosophy that no doubt was intentional by the game's creator Bennett Foddy has been around since the arcade era. Back then, developers would make their game far more difficult than just watching someone play it would let on, in an effort to suck up as many quarters spent on extra lives as possible. This game was free though, so one has to wonder why Foddy designed the game like that. Well, if you know Bennett, or at least his most recent creation, 2017's Getting Over It, you'll know that this psychologically tormenting level of difficulty and absolute lack of forgiveness is I bought Getting Over It in 2018, but it wasn't until 2020 that I actually
come on!
One of my favorite gaming moments in general to look back again is
Headshot! Incoming!
That sense of triumph is what made me immediately start the second playthrough. While not uniquely getting over it, it's no small feat to bring it off the play. While it took me about 20 hours,
What next?
I beat it the second time about
You want some?
what changed? Well, it wasn't something that was brought about by me. It was something that I had to bring about myself.
Oh yeah!